is coming up well. Senna is crowded out and is down to 5th position, and Wendlinger is up into Austrian driver in the black Sauber. Prost leads, Hill 2nd, Wendlinger is 3rd, and Ayrton Senna is up to 4th position ahead of Schumacher and challenging Wendlinger as they go round the right-hander into the old hairpin.
Tremendous stuff. He muscled his way back into contention at Redgate. He's going inside Damon Hill.
So 2 retirements already, Michael Andretti and Carl Wendlinger, and Senna goes through into the lead. He's passed Alain.
We'll try and find